A clogged condensate P-trap can stop drainage and cause water backup or system shutdown fast. Start by locating the trap on your HVAC or condensate line and turn off the condensate drain pump or the connected appliance if possible to avoid spills. Wear gloves and place a shallow pan or towels under the trap to catch water. If the trap is removable, loosen the slip nuts by hand or with adjustable pliers and gently tip the trap so you can clear debris and flush it with warm water. Reassemble snugly, but do not over-tighten to avoid cracking plastic. For traps that are fixed or hard to remove, push a sturdy zip tie through the outlet to fish out slime or hair, then pull it back slowly to remove the clog. A piece of flexible wire, such as from a stripped coat hanger, works the same way when formed into a small hook. Bend the tip to avoid gouging the tubing and work gently to retrieve debris. If the clog is soft buildup, insert a straw or a firm plastic strip and use a back and forth motion to break the plug, then flush with warm water. Follow with white vinegar to dissolve mineral residue and run water again to clear the line. 3 common mistakes are forcing metal tools deep into the trap, which can puncture plastic and create leaks, reassembling fittings without checking for proper seating, which leads to drips, and relying only on chemical drain cleaners that can damage PVC or rubber over time. If you are tempted to shove a screwdriver or other rigid metal item inside, stop and use a flexible tool instead to avoid damage. Always inspect and hand tighten connections, then run water to confirm no leaks rather than tightening further. Avoid using harsh chemicals repeatedly. Use mechanical cleaning and a vinegar flush first, and reserve strong chemicals as a last resort or call a professional. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find new work by listing project needs and responses. We host a community discussion area where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and post real-world solutions.